Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a device to your Xfinity Wi-Fi quickly and easily. There are two main methods: using your Wi-Fi password or the faster QR code option. First, you'll need your network name and password. If you haven't changed them, you can find them on the sticker on your Xfinity gateway. But the easiest way is to open the Xfinity app on a device that's already connected. Go to the Wi-Fi tab and tap View Wi-Fi details. Now for the fastest method, the QR code. In the app, tap your Wi-Fi name and a QR code will appear. Open the camera on your new phone or tablet, scan the code and tap the notification to join. No typing needed, and it helps avoid password errors. If you are connecting a device without a camera, like a PlayStation or laptop, go to its Wi-Fi settings, select your Xfinity network, and enter the password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. For smart devices like bulbs or plugs, they may require a 2.4 GHz connection. If they don't connect, go into the Xfinity app, open Advanced Settings, and temporarily split the bands or use the troubleshooting tool. Once connected, go back to the app. You'll see your new device, tap it, give it a name, and even assign it to a profile. And that's it. Your device is now connected and ready to use.